Hey, over here. Next.
Thank you. Selena, Justin, long time no see. When did you two start dating?
Since you went to rehab, Demi, a lot of things happened.
You did not just say that.
I did.
I think she did.
I did.
Stay out of this, Justin.
Hey, excuse me?
Selena Gomez, you cannot touch me. I don't care who says.
Touch.
I don't care who says.
Whatever.
Who says I am a skyscraper,
I
and
know.
you cannot touch me. I rise higher and above than anybody else. Okay, I'm a strong person.
I'm not a hater, I am a lover.
Yeah, you're hating
We
on
don't
me.
like haters. We like lovers, and you're not a lover. So excuse me while we take our picture.
You know what? You know what?
How could you?